One of the most important factors for fashionistas is the IQ when it comes to knowing how to combine what they have at the moment. Because sometimes we don't have specific garments for an outfit. We can manage to transform garments that we were created for one style into another. And when we talk about transforming, we don't mean it literally. We're going to accompany with them with other garments to change the context of our look. That's why in today's video we'll talk about how to change one of these garments. And this garment will be the black shirt. Commonly used for non-casual festive events and cocktail attire, with a better adjustment will turn into a garment for a sporty or casual outfit. If you are subscribed to my channel yet, I invite you to do so and also activate the notification bell to upload content every week. With a further ado, let's begin.
Fashion, to me, born and die every day.
Why should anybody care about fashion?
Even the people who say they don't care, they care, I promise you.
And why is that? What is it about fashion that makes people care?
We like to look well. I think it's some who put color to our life.
I would like to say that each of the tips that we're going to give you can be done jointly or individually. So you can discard or add according to your taste those that go with your style. However, we also give our recommendations. Simple shirts modification. To give our black shirt a sporty touch, we can choose to unbutton our shirt and have a contrasting shirt underneath. Or even use it as a kind of accessory jacket and wear a white cotton shirt. If you want more info about this, we have a video talking about the subject I will recommend you. And speaking of jacket, you might be thinking that it's an option to add perhaps your sporty look. And that's a reality stat. It can be useful, but you should take into account that if the outfit during your outings you are not going to be changing. That is taking off the jacket or putting it on all the time. Then we recommend you to do a no-use dress shirt. Otherwise, if you are going to jump for semi-formal to casual, then yes. Another very practical modification is to roll up the sleeves. This way the shirt will give a more relaxed and casual appearance. Finally, we have the knots in the front, but this look better on women than on men. Pants. Pants, believe it or not, will be the ones that determine if your style needs more or less help to be sporty. First, we have jeans. A pair of skinny or straight jeans will give a more casual touch to your black shirt. You can add a chain or a belt for a more urban touch. The advantage of jeans is that they are such a versatile garment that you won't need to balance your outfit as much with other accessories. Secondly, the shorts. You can combine your black shirt with shorts, opting for a contrasting color for a more striking look or for a neutral tone than for a more sober style. Unlike jeans, it's necessary to add more casual sport elements for there to be a better harmony. The selection of colors and style, there are no limits. You can have simple shorts or even extravagant beach shorts. Footwear. The footwear to make style of a black shirt more casual is very wide. We have all kinds of sneakers, sport shoes, and even loafers and formal shoes. There is a detail that has to do with aforementioned about the pants. If you're going to wear elegant shoes with short, make sure it is not a beach style one-wire patterns with uniform in color. This way will not cross the line of extravagance. Accessories. Accessories are what give the finished touch to a versatile outfit. Among them we have caps. A baseball cap or sporty style cap will give a more casual touch to your outfit. As we use a general shirt, the best option will be cap that has white as the base color. An important detail is that the motif or shell of the cap, if it belongs to a thing or something that alludes to popular culture, is better. Necklace. As we're talking about dress shirt in the selection of our necklace, we must make sure that the one has a simple roll and not, for example, chains or beach polkas. The objective that is going to be exhibited in leg days for its selection. Bracelets. You can combine several bracelets with different materials and colors to give a personal touch. Unlike necklaces that are recommended to be rope, bracelets can be of any style and without limits. Don't forget to roll up your sleeves. And finally, the backpack. A sport backpack is perfect for carrying your things and completing your sporty look. However, it is not like any other accessory. You must make sure that it matches the pants you are wearing. If there are patterned beige shorts, the backpack should be also extravagant. If there are a single color, make sure the pattern between the black shirt, the shorts and the bag are compatible, such as black, white and red, and not very strange one like black, green or purple. In the case of wearing jeans, as we said before, it's not necessary to use many accessories. Basic and neutral colors are better for bags, such as khaki and white. If you like this video and the tips, we invite you to write us below in the comment box to your opinion on any other advice to look more casual with semi-formal clothes. See you in another video.